I normally work from side to side, so I start on obviously one side, I complete one side with the wax, then I go into the middle, then I go on to the other side. Some people like to do like underneath one side of the brow and then underneath the other side of the brow. I tend to stick to the same brow, and then once I've made it perfect, I then move on to the next one. There's no right or wrong way of doing an eyebrow wax. And remember, if you don't get all the wax off the skin, that's no problem, because we'll move on to using the oil in a bit, and then you can get all the residue of the wax off. And also same with hairs. If you miss a few hairs with the wax, that's no problem, because you can go in again later with the tweezers and just tweeze any stray hairs that's been left behind. So after we've finished waxing, I'm just going to go over with some oil just to take off all the residue and make sure you've not got any sticky areas on there. And then just combing them through just to make sure I've kept to the shape, make sure I don't need to do any more trimming, and obviously making sure if there's any stray ones behind, give those. Once you've applied the Vaseline, I use one cotton pad, cut down the middle, and I dip them in a bit of water and I apply that to underneath the eye. And then I'll mix my tin and go in and apply my eyelash tint. So I've used a blue black. Becky hasn't actually got really fair brows. She actually has got a little bit of colour to them, but she just likes to darken them up a bit so she doesn't feel like she always has to wear mascara. So once you've left that on for 10 to 15 minutes, that can come off. And then I'm just going to flush all the eyes out with some lukewarm water. I like doing it this way because you feel like you can get every last drop out and you don't get any stinging. There you have it, a fresh brow shape and tint and an eyelash tint. And then I'm just going to finish with a teeny bit of brow glue just to set them in place and finish them off perfect. Thanks for watching my eyebrow shape and tint video plus my eyelash tint video.